Almost everyone slips up on this one. Which sentence uses the correct past tense verb? The correct answer is Ben wrote a note. Great start. Let's see if you can keep it going. This one catches even careful readers. Which word correctly completes the sentence? The boy called one. It's who. Nice job if you got it right. The challenge is heating up. This looks simple, but don't rush. Which sentence is punctuated correctly? The answer is, wow, what a game! You're building momentum. Don't slow down now. Many students second guess this one. Choose the correct word. Going to the museum today. The correct answer is there. You're doing great. Stay focused. Only careful readers spot this instantly. Which sentence is a complete sentence? It's, we finished our work. You're halfway there. Can you stay perfect? One tiny mistake changes everything. Which sentence uses a comma correctly? The answer is, after dinner we played. Nice work! The next one is even tougher. This question separates good students from great ones. Which sentence uses a possessive noun correctly? It's, the dog's leash is blue. Keep your confidence high. You've got this. Don't let this one fool you. Which word best completes the sentence? This is the park we met. The correct answer is where. Don't lose your streak now. Even strong students miss this one. Which sentence uses an irregular plural noun correctly? It's, two children laughed. You're getting close to the finish. Stay sharp. This final challenge is tougher than it looks. Which sentence correctly joins the ideas? It rained. We played inside. The answer is, it rained, so we played inside. Awesome job making it to the end. How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments and let us know which grade or subject you want to tackle next. If you're ready for another challenge, tap one of the videos on your screen now and keep your brain growing. We'll see you in the next quiz.